Dear students, this is Basavaraj Mali, Associate Professor, Sheikh Engineering College. Now we will discuss the method 2, that is centerline method of estimation of a building. So in centerline method, I will illustrate with some examples. Let me take a small illustration like this example. Here you can see the center line of the long wall is 5.3 and the short wall center line is 4.3. They have given center line distances, so you have to go on adding the center lines all together, that is 5.3 plus 5.3 plus 4.3 plus 4.3. so this here you can see AB plus BC plus CD is 5.3 plus 4.3 plus 5.3, total 19.2 meter. So directly you can tabulate the quantities like this tabulation. Here details of measurement and calculation of quantities. Earthwork in excavation, that 19.2 the total length of the wall, then breadth of excavation, then height of excavation, you will get the quantity. Similarly, concrete foundation, that is concrete in foundation, the length remains same 19.2, breadth and the depth of concrete is changes, it is 0.3 meter, so 5.18 cubic meter. Then brickwork for first, second and plinth. This example is already, we have taken the sections earlier in long wall short wall method, the same sections here. This 5 meter by, here inside dimensions were given 5 by 4. Later we calculated center line and we started with the example. So this is the same section we have to take. So first footing 19.2 meter is the common center line length. Then breadth of first footing is 0.6 meter, height is 0.3 meter, and you will get the quantity. Similarly, second footing and plinth wall is calculated. In all, total 10.95 for brickwork. So brickwork in superstructure, same center line remains same. Then breadth is 0.3 and the height is 3.5 meter. So this is section, this already we have taken here in this, it is taken 3.5 meter is the depth they have mentioned. So all these datas will be tabulated in this way. So this is the simple example of centerline method. So let us go out for another example illustration. Here when two-roomed building comes, little bit carefully we have to calculate. So here already this also example we have solved in long wall short wall method. This is the two-roomed building. So where we already studied, that is 4 by 6 and 6 by 6. So this calculation is done like this. So total distance center to center of long wall is 10.6. Earlier, from that you can refer that drawing here. This is 4 meter plus 0.3 plus 6, that is 10.3. half of this and half of this is 10.6. So this, so the tabulation we have to calculate the total center length 2 into center length of long wall plus 3 into center to center of short wall, it comes out to be 40.1 meter. So this we have to keep in mind, then tabulate later as. So only difference in this two-room buildings or multi-room buildings is this cross walls. When we calculate the lengths, center to center length, so we are overlapping this center length here in the junction. So these junctions have to be deducted. That is the main concept behind this center line method. So earthwork in excavation, so total center line is 40.1 meter. We have already arrived here. This 40.1 meter minus two junctions The junction width, that is 1.1 meter excavation. So two halves. So one half and another half. Here two junctions are there. So 2 into its breadth divided by 2. Then lime concrete, the center line remains same. Then breadth is 1.1 meter. Then height or depth is 0.3 meter. Quantity is first class brickwork, first footing 39.3. How would this 39.3 arrived? It is center line, total center line minus 2 junctions. So here junctions, the width of first footing is 0.8 meter. So where it is to be taken, it's to be taken from the earlier drawing. The width of first footing is 0.8 meter, second is 0.7, third 0.6, fourth is 0.5, and the plinth wall is 0.4. So these datas have to be calculated in this particular so coming here, the first, second, third footing, only junctions have to be deducted. So two junctions and their widths have to be deducted. So there will be some changes in the length, and it's their breadth multiplied by the height. Okay, you will get the quantity. So this is footing and a plinth wall. Now damp proof course, 40.1 into 2 into 0.4 by 2. So that length you have to take, and it is in square meters, so no depth for damp DPC. So for DPC we have to deduct door sill, because below door we are not going to put DPC layer. So two doors are there in the main drawing. So, there are two doors, 1 and 2. So this, remember this drawing. For this drawing we have to calculate all the things. So GPC, then first class brickwork in superstructure. Here 40.1 is the total center line minus 2 junctions. 2 into 0.3 is the width of the wall divided by 2, 39.8. Then 0.3 is the width of that superstructure. Height is 4.2 meter given in the section. So you will get so deductions we already done in long wall short wall method. That is 4.4 cum we have to deduct. So this is the quantity we arrive. So this is the concept. The main concept is calculations on the junctions and deducting in the center line. Thank you everyone.